So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these 7 WAEC repeated questions to answer on the topic ecological management. So this video will be about adaptation of microorganisms to the habitats. So ensure to stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, possession of strong adhesives is a feature of animals living in / on A. rocky shores, B. benthic zones, C. sandy leaches, D. deserts. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's rocky shores. So that's the answer to this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 2 here, it says, which of the following factors is the main problem facing xerophytes? A. conservation of excess water, B. competition for sunlight, C. lack of adequate water, D. poor formation of roots. So guys, the major factor that is a problem facing xerophytes is actually lack of adequate water. Xerophytes are plants that are found in desert environments, and the only feature here out of all the features here that is the major factor that these plants face is lack of water. And that's it for that question, option C. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, rabbits cannot survive in an aquatic habitat because they have A. no fins, B. no gills, C. fore and hind limbs, D. no scales. So guys, the reason why rabbits cannot survive in an aquatic habitat is because they have no gills. So they actually need gills for them to be able to respirate in the aquatic habitat. So because they don't have gills, guys, they cannot respire in the aquatic habitat, and as such they won't be able to survive in this habitat. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 4 here. It says, the presence of silt and breathing roots are features of plants found in the A. southern Guinea savanna, B. freshwater swamp forest, C. mangrove forest, D. tropical rain forest. So guys, the answer to this question here is option C, and that's mangrove forest. So actually, plants in the mangrove forest will possess a stilt root or breathing roots. So that's it for that question, option C. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, study the diagram and use it to answer this question. In which type of soil is the plant found? A. soil that is waterlogged, B. soil that is poorly aerated, C. soil that is exposed, and D. soil that is nitrogen deficient. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D, that is soil that is nitrogen deficient. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 6. It says, which of the following activities constitutes biological control? We have A vulture feeding on the carcass of a goat, B. adding manure to crops in garden, C. a small bony fish transported on the back of a shark, D. tilapia feeding on the larva and pupa of mosquito. So guys, the example here that is actually an activity that constitutes biological control is option D here. That's a tilapia feeding on the larva and pupa of mosquito. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, which of the following pictures is not an adaptation of plants to aquatic habitats? We have A. spongy tissues containing gases for buoyancy, B. flowers are raised above water to attract pollinators, C. breathing roots for entry of air, and D. hairy structures on the leaves to reduce water loss. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, hairy structures on the leaves to reduce water loss. So this feature is not an adaptation of plants to aquatic habitat. So as such, that's the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.